In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly share your Calendly link using Microsoft's online platform. If you're new to Calendly or just looking to streamline scheduling appointments, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Calendly's website. You'll notice the login option conveniently located at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Now, if you've already set up an account with your email, simply input your email and password here. However, if you've hooked up your Calendly account with Google or Microsoft, you can easily log in by clicking the relevant button below these fields. For today's tutorial, we'll use Microsoft to make the process even smoother. Once logged in, let's navigate back to the main homepage of Calendly. This is where all the magic happens. On this page, you'll find the direct link to your scheduling page. But what if you want to share it with someone else? Simple. Locate the Share button right next to your link. Calendly makes this incredibly user-friendly by providing various options for sharing. Clicking this button will unveil several methods through which you can distribute your link. To share your link, look for the Copy Link button. A quick tip. If you click this, the link will be copied to your clipboard, making it incredibly easy to paste it into an email, text, or any messaging platform you prefer. You might find this particularly useful for sending quick scheduling invites or linking in your professional email signature. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've got your easy-to-share Calendly link, ready to send at your convenience. This not only saves time, but also ensures a seamless scheduling experience for both you and your invitees. So, that wraps up our tutorial for today. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to share your Calendly link with ease, using the convenience of your Microsoft account. We hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for joining us, and happy scheduling!